guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock the bizarre drink or the bizarre food recipe in Heartopia. So for the bizarre food, you're just going to cook any food and basically just burn it. I will be doing the same for this coffee. So I'm just going to start cooking and I'm just going to leave it, and it's going to give me a bizarre drink. It will go on your recipe and collection list. So I'm just going to burn it and see what we have. Take it, and as you can see, created the bizarre drink. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.